This is road safety for you, driving forward for safer roads. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is slightly different, just a little bit different. I'm going to be talking about Wi-Fi service, particularly about Starlink. We have Starlink here, and on my channel my videos are all produced using Starlink internet. So this is not an ad. This is not an ad. I'm not trying to push Starlink. So this is just an update for anyone who is maybe considering buying Starlink, because there are plenty of videos on YouTube showing you how to unbox, how to set up. I'm not going to do all that because our Starlink is actually installed. So we've had Starlink now for just over a year, and it's been very good. I have to say we have been very happy with the Starlink. The package we have is called residential, so it's the basic. It is a basic package. You can get other packages, more mobile packages. You can take your satellite dish around with you, set it up anywhere, or you can buy Starlink to be at sea if you have a yacht or whatever. So the prices vary, but we have the basic. This is called residential. As some of you may know, I am in the Philippines, so Starlink is established already in the Philippines, and as I say, the service that we get is very good. I'm going to go into some detail for you, and hopefully that will help you if you're undecided, if you're thinking about getting Starlink. This video is just designed to give you some advice, to give you an experience what we have here. So I'm going to end the video shortly. I'm going to go outside, guys, and I'm going to do a video outside where I can show you the dish and explain where we have our dish, why it's there, and the difference it makes. So join me outside, guys. Let's go have a look. Hi guys, and welcome to outside. This is our house, our home. We've been here for 3 years, and we've had Starlink for just coming under 2 years. In that time, as I said earlier, Starlink has been really good for us. So initially, when we first got Starlink, we put it on the lower roof. Was a blue roof there, and we put it on that lower section just to try it, just to make sure Starlink was going to be okay before we then put it onto the higher roof. So 1 month on the lower roof, it was absolutely perfect. Then we put it on the higher roof on the corner. So up there, it's got unrestricted view and unrestricted access to obviously passing satellites above. This system works really well. As I said before, I'm not here to try and push Starlink onto you. I'm just giving you an update how Starlink works for us, and particularly me, because I need Starlink with Wi-Fi, good reliable Wi-Fi, so I can produce and put my content online. Thanks guys, and let's go back inside. Okay guys, so we're back inside. It's very hot, very warm outside. That video was recorded at 6 p.m. and it's still very, very hot. I think it's 28 degrees, 29 degrees, something like that. Anyway, that also has a bearing on Starlink and the dish, because the Philippines here has quite extreme temperatures, especially at the higher end, and it doesn't seem to affect the performance of Starlink. So as I say, back inside, what I'm going to do for you now guys is, rather than me reading out some technical data, I'm going to put some pictures up for you. Some of them are actually screenshots from Starlink directly taken from my account. There's no personal details on there, so it's just technical data for you. You can read through. If you want to pause the video so you can read them properly, please feel free to do that. Just remember, guys, to like, subscribe and share the video. I do appreciate every single like and subscriber that comes on board with this channel. So just before I finish, again about Starlink, this is not a paid promotion. This is just an update for you in case you are considering buying Starlink and you're thinking, is it going to be good? Well, we can give you our experience. I've so far given you my experience of Starlink, but this is a family home. A large family stays here. So it's not just going to be my appraisal, it's going to be a family appraisal of how Starlink performs. We all use Starlink here in different ways. Some watching videos, some watching movies, downloading different games. So it has lots of applications within the family. So we're going to get a family appraisal done, and I'll put the results up for you guys along with the pictures. So thanks again for watching, and please join me again when we'll get back to the normal subject of road safety, which is our main topic. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.